a dreamer, but my heart's of gold. I had to run away and hide, 'cause I couldn't go home just when things went right.
Hey guys, happy Remembrance Day weekend. Joanne and I decided to get out, get a clear mind, have some peace and quiet, and we thought we'd show you our campsite. We got the new ARB awning room up again. Let's see, Joanne should be in here.
Hey.
There she is.
Trying to figure how we're gonna configure this.
Got the lighting strip in there. That's actually on the awning, but they put a clear, let me see here. They put a clear vinyl there so it'll shine right through into the awning room. Anything we need from the truck is just behind that zipper. Have our standard little Coleman lights and our standard 12x12 and Joanne's Palace.
Sometimes nothing keeps me together at the seams. I'm on my way. I'm on my way. Home sweet home. Tonight, I'm on my way. Just set me free. Home sweet
We are actually trying our new Coleman oven, but it's actually we put lasagna in there, so let's see how it's looking. Joanne, open that up, please. Oh yeah, I am definitely not hating on that. That looks delicious. Might have to rotate them, but woo, good old camp food.
Everyone, there you have it, our first fall trip, 2 nights at Rolley Lake. Had a great time. Hope you enjoyed our video. Thanks for watching. Get out there, enjoy life, and find your